Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So if you have been wondering how can you see and find your sent friend requests on Facebook, you're in the right place because today in this video I'll show you exactly where to find them. Just follow up with me till the very end so that you make no mistakes, and let's jump right into it already. So first we go ahead and open Facebook, and of course you have to be logged into your account right here. Now we start by opening the menu. You can do that by tapping the profile picture in the top right corner right here. Now from the menu, tap on your name to open your profile just like that. From your profile, tap on these three dots right next to edit profile. And from these options, choose activity log right here. Wait for this page to load up. Once it does, scroll down a little bit and then tap on connections right here. A list of options will be extended right under it. Tap on manage friends right under friends. Again, wait for this page to load up. It's gonna take some seconds. And right here, tap on filters in the top left part of the screen right here. From the bottom, once you tap there, tap on categories here, guys. Then tap on send requests or view sent requests in the bottom. And right here, guys, you can find every single friend request that you have ever sent on Facebook. You can even find it in a shortcut method. If this doesn't work or something like that, you can go back to the main page on Facebook and tap on this icon in the top. You get the friend request that you have received. Then tap on see all right here and tap on the three dots in the top right corner, and then in the bottom tap on view send requests. And here, guys, again you see every single friend request that you have ever sent. You can tap on cancel if you want to cancel any of them. And that's basically it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comments section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.